Hello everyone, welcome on frogtechtips. Today we will speak about the cable. Really? About the cable? Yeah, we will speak about the cable, especially the DisplayPort cable 2.1 version. DP80 VESA Certified Cable from Silkland company, which sent it for the tested. Yeah, and this cable is a first certificate DP8 cable 2 meter long, that's mine, keep in mind, 2 meter long on Amazon. It's really nice cable. I don't know, I don't see that. I just see the picture, as you can see now, but I need this cable for test, for compare with my original cable, which is descended on my Xiaomi monitor. It's a DisplayPort cable also. Not sure if the quality is the same as he sent me. We'll check it now, compare the design and how it looks like. Okay, let's go. Send me the package now. Wow, we got it, we're gonna unbox it. Okay, let's go. Doing unboxing, boxing. Unboxing is my favorite part of this video, like always. Okay, right out of the box, we'll see how it looks like. Box in the box, okay. Okay, this is the second box, and we have just cleaned this side with Silkland brand on this one, and over here is right Silkland DisplayPort 2.1 VESA DP80 certificate cable, 2 meter long, 16K and 60 Hz. Who need a 16K? Not me. I got enough with 2K with my Xiaomi monitor. Yeah, but yeah, we'll see how it looks like once I open it and compare with the Xiaomi cable, which looks like this simple black cable, and it's also 2 meter long, but not sure if it has any certificate. But DisplayPort cable from Xiaomi looks like this, and open the box to compare. Okay. Oh, okay. Right from the box, cable, it's much better quality. Oh, I'm amazing. Okay, we could have manual as well. Yeah. Okay, this cable is really strong. Yeah. Okay, nice cable. And also connector is very nice. It's full aluminium. It's all got a gold, red insider. Okay, what's that? Come show now is the original Xiaomi cable. You have a look on that. Look at the cable quality. Yeah, compare with Xiaomi one. These are, you can see how much is the figure. But maybe it's just isolation. But maybe it's a better cable inside. Like you can see on this picture. Yeah. It looks interesting what is inside this cable, yeah, and the connector quality, you can see it's a VESA certificate, connector quality, compare, yeah, looks nice. Even the Xiaomi cable connector is really nice, but the cable is like plasticky and sticky bullshit cheap one. But it's not a cheap one, I will be lied to you, it's not a cheap one, it's really nice cable, and also it supports my monitor very well, it's not problem at all, up to 160 Hz, it's not problem at all, but this cable quality, I like it, it's like, not the plastic, you know, it's like special stuff on top of it, it's like some textile, yeah. Yeah, it's not bad. Check the length, like I said, I'm not sure it's 2 meter or not. My one, I think, not this one. This one should be 2 meter, and it's also certificate. That means something certificate. Should be. Come on, why you use this? Okay, we got it done. Now we check the length. If it's I'm not sure how long is my one. Okay, compare. No, my one is shorter, as you can see. Okay, this one is like 50 centimeters longer. Look, maybe. Okay, not bad. Okay, let's go plug in. A second on the monitor as well. It's really hard to plug in on monitor as cable is so hard. That means this is something I don't like it, but I will just do something like this and plug in correctly. Here you go. Wow! As you can see, it works. As you can see, this cable is plugged in and support 2K, 100 Hz, 10 bits RGB, and yeah, it's also HDR, everything. Yeah, 180 Hz. It's nice, yeah, working very well. I'm not sure what I can test it more now, but definitely I can recommend this cable. It's like I said, is first certificate cable, which up to 80 gigabits per second. This is how it looks like, the cable inside. This capability of this 2.1 cable, DisplayPort 2.1. I'm not sure, I think the Xiaomi sent it just on the DisplayPort 1.4. And yeah, it's a 2 meter long and up to 4K 240 Hz HDR without DCC. Certificate cable, frogtechtips. Okay, as you can see, the cable works. Is it cable? Cable? Why? It's cable. Okay, it works. Let's have a better certification probably over this one. It's a 2.1. This one is 1.4, I think. Maybe less. Who knows? Never mind. It's working. But will be recommend this cable. Even if the cable, yes, because it's brilliant build quality. It's got a gold cable inside. It's got a gold connector. It's really robust, brilliant quality. I already said this. Yeah. Okay, I can recommend this. If you want to see more about this something, just let me know. I can do it for you, especially for the request. I can check you or record you whatever you want. Just ask me, I will do it. And also, if you want to buy this cable, it's not expensive. It's about $20, maybe 15 euros or something like this, or 25 euros. Or no, I'm not sure. Yeah, just check the description. There is a link for the Amazon store. I don't have nothing for this. He just sent me the cable for testing to have a look on this. But I will be provided on the description all of the information. I have it. Just have a look on that. Click if you like. Buy if you like. If not, it's your problem or my problem. No, if you don't like it, just don't buy it. Yeah. But yeah, I can recommend this cable. Is really good quality and it's much better than this one, which I already don't like it. See you later. Keep like it. Click subscribe. Stay tuned on my next video. I got some different products and yeah, it's also there is some manuals, but when you need it, it's cable. See you later. Alligator. Bye bye. Click subscribe. Stay tuned on my channel.